Hello everybody! Today we're going to be making a delicious macaron recipe using the French method. The ingredients for this recipe are granulated sugar, egg whites, confectioner's sugar, and almond flour. The first thing we're going to do is combine both our confectioner's sugar and almond flour in a bowl. With a whisk, we'll mix them together. Then, with the food processor, we'll pulse the confectioner's sugar and the almond flour until combined. Do not overmix or you will get almond butter. This will make the tops of the macarons really smooth. After processing, sift them and leave to the side. With the stand mixer and with the whisk attachment, start whisking the egg whites at medium speed until they are foamy. Add a third of the granulated sugar. Whip it until the mixture doubles in size and the meringue starts to form. When the meringue starts gaining shape and it looks like it has little waves, add half of the remaining granulated sugar. Once it reaches a very bright white color, add the rest of the sugar and turn the speed to medium-high. I'm using mermaid teal as my color. Whip the meringue until it is stiff and soft peaks form. If coloring the macarons with just one color, just add the color to the meringue and whip until the color has homogenized. Pour the dry ingredients in the mixer and fold together until just combined. Spread it to the size of the bowl to deflate it just enough so the batter reaches the ribbon stage, which is when you lift the spatula out of the bowl and the batter falls back down in smooth ribbons. Put the batter into piping bags and form the macarons on the back of a tray on parchment paper or silicone mats. Bang the tray with the surface of your table on all sides to release any air bubbles. With a scribe, smooth the tops of the macarons. Set them aside and let them set for 20 to 50 minutes or until they dry to the touch. Preheat the oven to 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake one tray at a time for 15 to 18 minutes. Let them cool before removing them from the paper or mat. Fill them with a filling of choice like buttercream, jam, or ganache. Happy baking!